welcome back to my channel. Period. Today's video is gonna be a freshman advice, baby, because we all need it. Because let's be honest, all the freshmen out here needs help, because I know I did, and I didn't really have that much freshman advice, to be honest with you. Did not have a lot of it. Well, my dad and my mom, they did give me some freshman advice, but I gotta give you guys the tea, because I am here today in 2019. They was in high school like what, maybe like more than 30 years ago. No, 20 years ago. Okay, whole point is they've been out of high school for so long, over a decade, that they don't know what's going on nowadays, and I want to help you guys out with that. And I'm in front of my bed because I never film in front of my bed. I'm in front of my bed because, baby, the AC is coming this way. So I'm going to stay where the AC is at because it's hot in my room. So, you guys, all the tea, all the juice, I'm going to put y'all on so y'all don't look dumb. I get so many requests on doing freshman advice. I am officially a junior now, so hold on. Clap it up for me. I survived 2 years. Got 2 more to go. Then I'm out that bit. I got a shot. My mom just ripped the band-aid off without even letting me know. So my arm is really like, this really hurts right now, this side. Number 1, do not worry about being popular. I say this because being popular, the popularity is not going to get you nowhere. There's no point of you trying to come in and try to be that it girl or be that girl that everybody wants to know about, everybody knows about, everybody's talking about. You don't want to be the topic of discussion in high school. Trust and believe that. Like, most likely, if you're the topic of discussion in high school, it's not a good thing, and it's not like whatever they're talking about you is not a good thing. So there's no point of you even like aiming for that, because popularity is not gonna get you nowhere. Okay, because I know a lot of people that was feeling to be popular so bad that once they left high school, nobody cared about them no more, because you're not in high school no more. That's where everybody's at, right? And you want to be popular in high school because everybody's in high school, you know, just everybody's in high school, you know what I'm saying? And once you graduate, people are gonna forget about you unless you do something extremely like, oh my gosh. But after like a couple of years, it's over. So there's no point of you like aiming to be popular for 4 years, and after the rest of your life, you know, 20, 30 years, nobody even cares about you no more. It's over. Nobody cares about you popular when you wanna buy a car, get an apartment, any of that sort. It doesn't matter. They're gonna be like looking at you like popular. What are you, like 10? Like, what are you talking about popular? Like, number 2, don't worry about boys. I just can't stress this enough. Do not worry about boys. Let me stand up a little bit so y'all can hear me. I say this because boys are really the main distraction in high school. Like, I know everybody says that, all the high school videos that you watch, they all say that, but it's true. So if everybody keeps saying that, then it has to be true. Like, I understand that, oh, you like him, don't like take what I say and just be like, oh, I'm not gonna talk to no boys at all. No. What I'm saying is, don't make it your main priority, because your main priority is to graduate, to get your diploma and get out. You don't want to care about a boy your all 4 years in high school. For what? What do you care about them for a whole I can't even talk. What do you care about them for a whole 4 years for? What's the point? Like, what's the point? Because honestly, most likely when you graduate, you probably are going to drift apart. You are going to go your separate ways, because you're probably going to different colleges. Like, probably one of y'all want to go to college and one doesn't. Like, y'all have different goals. Like what is the point of focusing on a boy your whole time when you can be focusing on getting scholarships, getting good grades? No matter what you look like, basically, it's always going to be a stupid boy that's going to break your heart some way, somehow. Now, I'm not saying that for all boys, because some boys are actually good, but majority of boys are dumb. Alright? They're going to like mess up somehow. Sorry to say. Sorry to break your heart. If you're looking for a Troy when you get to high school, Troy still mess up somehow, some way. So, therefore, period. And boys too. Do not worry about a girl either. It's not worth it, because she'll probably be doing her own thing as well. Because when you're in high school, you're still young, you're still learning. I'm not saying that, boys ain't shit, girls ain't shit. I'm not saying that. I'm saying what is true. Like, most of the time, it's not always what it seems to be. You know what I'm saying? Now, to tie in with number 2, baby, don't talk to seniors, especially when you're a freshman. This goes for freshmen, sophomores. Do not talk to seniors. Do not. I don't care. I don't care what they do, how they look. I don't care how fine they are, how fly they are, how they sweet talk you. I don't care. Majority of the time when a senior want to talk to you, it's because they want one thing and one thing only, and that is some sex. And they might assume that it's easy, you know, to sweet talk you and slide you in because you're a freshman, and you probably like, oh my god, I see you want to talk to me, I'm mad hype. Because all my freshman friends were the same way. They was all like, oh my god, I see you want to talk to me, da, da, da. And I'm just looking at them like, girl, I don't know why you're so excited because they only want one thing, but okay. Because once they graduate, they're gonna forget about you, girl. You're a freshman, they're a senior. If you're a freshman down here, lower classman, he's an upperclassman. You think he's gonna wait 3 more years for you to graduate so you can be together forever? And if he does, he's doing something while you're still in school. So, cause he's in college all the way, probably somewhere else, and you're still in high school all the way over here, and he's all the way in college in the next state or something. Number 4, do not be a hoe. Don't be a thought. Don't be a slut. Don't be any of those things, because, baby, they will talk about you, and once they know that you're a hoe, or once they know whatever that you be doing, it's over. The whole school knows. Like, I'm telling you, once you put your business out there, or once you tell somebody something, or like people find out something because you get exposed or something, it's over. I'm sorry to say, but it's over. Alright, number 5, do not be an attention seeker. I'm saying this because we don't like that. Us seniors, us sophomores, us juniors do not like that. It doesn't matter what grade you're in. You could be in any grade and try to be an attention seeker, and that's really annoying because it's just like, why are you trying so hard to be noticed? Like, why? It's being extra, and then you want everybody to look at you because you late and you talking so loud, and it's just like, you want to be noticed so bad. Like, okay, we get it, you're here, moving on. Like, oh my god. And then they get mad at you when you don't want getting the attention that they want and you're not even trying. Been there, done that. Number 6, try to socialize, but don't be too known. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course you want to become a social butterfly, but you also don't want to be too known. Like, don't try to, like, you know, mess with everybody. Don't try to mess with literally everybody. Like, okay, you can get a friend from each grade. Don't try to let everybody know who you are. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, at first you might think, oh, I'm popping, you know, everybody's trying to know me. Let's go back to what I just told you about earlier about trying to be popular. You know what I'm saying? You don't need everybody to know you, because once they know you, then everybody gonna know you, girl. They gonna know about all your information. They gonna know about everything. I don't know, that's how I am. Like, I'm really social. Like, I try to be cool with everybody, but I'm not gonna try to be too cool with you to the fact that you know me so well that, like, if something goes down, you can tell my business. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so number 7, watch your back. Watch your own back. I know you might have people that's like, oh, I got you. I got your back, bro. I got your back, sis. Whenever you need something, I got you, da da da. But no, you never know what's going to happen. You never know what's going to go down. They might not be there. They might be there, don't do nothing, and claim that they got your back. That's why you always need to have your own back. Always pay attention wherever you are. It don't have to be in school. It could be anywhere, girl. Pay attention to where you're going. Pay attention to your surroundings. Make sure you're looking at everybody. Make sure you stay focused on where you're going. Don't try to ask questions. I don't want you to be so focused on thinking that, oh, that's my friend, she definitely gonna fight for me, da da da, she definitely gonna do this for me, she's definitely gonna have my back on this. Because you never know what happens. You never know. What if y'all argued the day before? Now who you got? Number 8, you have no real friends. Period. You have no real friends. Do I need to say it louder? You have no real friends. People's attitudes, people vibes can change in a second, and then you be like, what the? Wasn't I just cool with what the? Like, what happened? Yeah, you have no real friends. Number 9, the people you with right now, like I just said before, like no real friends, they will not be with you when you graduate. Like, I promise you that, unless you're really tight, which it doesn't really matter because high school could change people, and that's voice of my mother. Like, it really could change people. So the people that you with right now, you are not gonna graduate with unless they get that back. That would be funny. No, that's not funny. But get it? They literally will not be with you when you graduate because they get that back. Okay. That's not funny. Oh my god, I'm sorry. You might think, oh, I got my clique with me, or we lit. It's all 10 of us. We in this. We gang. Graduation comes, you only with 2 people. If you lucky, like if you lucky, you probably got like 5 people with you. But if you lucky, like you probably got like 2 people with you. It's that serious. You're not gonna be with the people that you graduate with. I promise you. Number 10, do not be a messy person or be in a drama. Don't please. Because you do not need to be that one freshman that's starting drama. Nobody likes a freshman that's starting drama, because at first it's just like, why she, like, you, first of all, baby, you're a freshman, like, why you even starting drama? You just got here, like, stay in your place. No. And it's also like, nobody wants to be friends with a person that's always in drama or wants to start drama or be messy. Like, nobody likes that. Don't be that girl's like, oh my gosh, you saw what he did with her? Isn't that her boyfriend? Isn't that her? That, like, no. Don't do it. No. Number 11, do not set a bad example for yourself. For instance, do not get in trouble. Don't talk back. And no attitude. Because nobody likes that, especially from a freshman. It's like, why you... Like, you're a freshman, baby. Calm down. You just got here. Do not start. Like, don't start. Number 12, do not be in no hallways. You do not need to be in no hallways. It's not worth it. Do not go in that hallway for that boy. Do not go in the hallway to be with your friends playing around, running around in the bathrooms. Or do not skip class. What are you skipping class for? You just started high school. There's no point in you skipping class. Like, I know how you feel. Oh my God, I hate high school already. This makes no sense. I feel you. But don't skip class. You're gonna look stupid because you're gonna miss a whole lesson. Then what if you have a test the next day that you don't know about because you missed class? What if you missed an important lesson and none of your friends can help you because it's too hard to explain? Make sure you make good relationships with your teachers, because they're the ones that's helping you graduate. They're the ones gonna give you your grade. If you give attitude to a teacher, they're gonna give attitude to you back, and it's just like, it's not gonna work out. So do not give attitude if you don't like a teacher, which I've been there, I've done that, trust me. Just do what you gotta do until you can get out the class. Do not try to make the class longer. Do not stop the class because you want to start an argument with her or him, or they do something to you and like you feel offended. Talk outside of class, unless it's like a big thing, like it's just like you feel so uncomfortable, like you have to say something then there now. Other than that, do not make a big scene about it. Do not try to be extra. Do what you gotta do so you can get out the classroom, because your maturity is what matters more than to argue with a teacher that you ain't gotta see next year, or like you're gonna see next year probably, but you don't gotta, you know, communicate with next year if you don't need to. Get involved in activities because it matters, like pep rallies. Get involved into sports. Sports is a huge thing because it can help you with scholarships. Like, it really can help you. Like, I'm involved in track. I do cheerleading. I do volleyball. I do all those 3 things, and it's really good because it really can help you make more friends out of school if you have like different high schools in your school, which I do. So it helped me make friends with other people from different schools that go to the same school as me, because I never saw them before, and it's just like, oh, you cool, I never even saw you before, but you cool, I want to hang out with you more. You make more friends that way if you don't have any in your freshman. And pep rallies can help you like mingle around if you're new, you want to know different people, different teachers. It's just get involved, because people love, let me get my son in this. People love when you want to get involved, because it makes you feel like, oh, she's open to, you know, help out. She's open to volunteer. She's open, you know, to get lit with us. Like, she's not boring. She's fun. It's really important to like get involved into your own high school. Like, if you're gonna go there, at least do something. Do not buy so much supplies. You do not need it. I promise you, you do not need all that school supplies. Trust me, been there, done that. I am a junior now, and I still have school supplies from when I was a freshman. Don't get into fights. Please don't get into fights. Fights is not worth it. Fights can cause so much trouble. Fights can cause so much damage to yourself. You can get, if you pretty, and you know that you're pretty girl, do you want to mess up your pretty face? Because the only reason why she want to fight you because she knows you're pretty. Alright? She know that you're pretty. She know that she can get to you. Do not let her get to you so y'all can fight. Like, no point in you fighting, because once y'all fight, what y'all gonna do after that? Like, I fought, okay, nothing else for you to do, so no point in fighting. It's unnecessary. Do not let people peer pressure you into doing what you don't want to do. Either it could be doing drugs, having sex, Whatever it is, do not let them do it. Alright, I know some people, it can be hard for them because, you know, they're so like, they have so much pressure on them to do it. It's just like, what do I do, what do I do? But don't feed yourself into it. If you don't want to do it, then speak up. Cause that's my next advice. Speak up. Alright, if you don't want to do it, just speak up and say you don't want to do it, period. Don't let them walk over you. Don't let them take control of you, because if you don't want to do it, you don't want to do it, and that's period. Study. It's always good to study. I literally don't study at all. Like, I never studied at all, ever. Every grade I was in, I never studied, baby. No. But you need to study, honestly, because high school could be really, really hard, and it could be so much tasks for you to do. It won't be easy. In high school, they don't play, baby. We have to get regents, because some like states you need to take a regents to graduate, and some high schools opt out the regents, so you need to take the regents at all. But my school, unfortunately, gives us the regents, so woohoo for me. So if you like me and you have regents to take, make sure you study, because if you really don't know it, if you really don't know it, you need to study, because if you don't pass with a 65 at least, you gotta take it again and again and again and again, because you need at least one of those subjects to graduate. And my last tip for you guys is to not do your homework at home. Do it in school, because you're gonna get so much homework, it's gonna be unbearable for you. You cannot do all that homework at home. No, it will not work out, trust me. My secret to finishing my homework is to doing half of it at school. Like my morning classes, I'll do that morning class homework, and lunch at gym. I only have gym 2 days out of the week, but girl, I'm gonna do that ish, alright? Period. I do not have a day, and if I have extended day, I'm thankful for that, because I'm doing that in my college classes, because I don't got time. But yeah, guys, that's all my advice for you guys. I hope it really helped you guys. I really want to help you guys out. If you think that I missed something, please leave it down below so I know for next time. Thank you guys so much for 90K. We almost at 100K. I appreciate you guys so much, and I know it's probably like, you know, so corny because every YouTuber says that, but y'all don't understand how much it means to me. I started from nothing and now I'm here, baby. Like, I didn't ask somebody for no help. I did everything on my own, so I'm so proud of myself. Like, I really am. Thank you guys so much for helping me grow so fast. I really truly appreciate it. We're gonna get to 100K in no time. I can't wait for my photo shoot. Can't wait for my plaque. I can show you guys that I have you guys in my house now, because y'all gonna be on my wall. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me. I love you guys so much. I feel like crying, because like I really am so happy that you guys really watch me. Oh yeah, and I made a year today on YouTube, so but by the time this go up, it'll be after, obviously. But today, July 22nd, makes a year I've been on YouTube, and we're almost at 100K. So, oh my god, y'all know I'm happy about that. Y'all just know. No, for real, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I love you guys so much. Bye, pretties. I watch you on my page, Blackiana. Flow tailor-made like Tiana.